Welcome to ATP. Today, we're on top of Kamari Hill, overlooking the beautiful Cebu background. And just as beautiful, in my opinion, is this 2023 Honda ADV 160. Today, we're gonna look at its features. This ADV 160 has a 156.9cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder gasoline engine that produces 15.8 horsepower at 8,500 RPMs. Height is 1,196 millimeters. Length is 1,950 millimeters. Width is 763 millimeters. And the seat clearance is 165 millimeters. Curb weight is 133 kilograms, and it has a ground clearance of 165 millimeters. Fuel tank capacity is 8.1 liters, and the oil reservoir capacity is 0.8 liter. The ignition system is fully transistorized, while the fuel system is programmed fuel injection. Tire size for the rear tire is 130/70 R13, and the front tire is 110/80 R14. Both the front and rear brakes are disc brakes. Front suspension is a telescopic fork, and the rear suspension is a twin sub-tank system. The transmission is a continuously variable transmission, or CVT. Safety features include anti-lock braking system, anti-theft alarm, and a street and road riding mode. Digital displays included are the odometer, speedometer, and fuel gauge, and also comes with a tachometer, trip meter, oil change indicator, and all warning symbols. Front windscreen locks in 2 positions, and the storage compartment under the seat is big enough for 1 helmet and other items. If you have found value in this video, a big thumb up is appreciated. If you're looking for a solid road, off-road bike, strongly recommend taking a look at this Honda ADV 160. It'll take you places you didn't think you would go. Stay safe. Have a great day.